Hi, I'm Terah. Thanks for joining me. I did a previous leather working project, and today I just want to take a little snippet of it and share something that I think could be really beneficial and helpful to anyone who's been putting off on doing leather with their Cricut Maker machine or die cutting machines, and maybe get you whipping that stuff out, maybe making some gifts for the holidays or special occasions. So stay tuned. I'm going to try something on my mat to see if it's going to help save the life of my strong grip mat. So when we cut faux leather on our strong grip mats, it can really affect the mat integrity, and it'll pick up the fibers, and they're really hard to get off. I'm going to use this strong grip Cricut transfer tape. You're going to lay it shiny side down with the sticky side up on your mat, and then you'll place your leather on top of it and then tape the leather down. I'm going to peel that off, and I'm going to stick it right on my mat. Just like that. And then I'm going to put my leather on top. So this is another glitter faux leather. And that's another thing, is the glitter itself could stick to my mat, and by using this strong grip transfer tape on my mat to stick it to, I'm gonna not have to worry about cleaning that glitter bits and pieces or any kind of fibers. I'm going to still use tape to try to adhere this down nice and snug. I used strong grip mat, strong grip transfer tape, and I've also taped down my faux leather with some painter's tape, and I'm going to pop it in my machine. And I'm gonna show you close up the glitter chunks that stuck to, hopefully you can see that would have been sticking to my mat. Let's go ahead and peel this off and see what my mat looks like. Check that out. Nice and clean, no debris left over. All the little debris fibers and the glitter chunks are all sticking to that strong grip transfer tape. So this has been a very successful experiment, and I highly recommend anyone who has held back on doing leather working projects. This is a super fantastic way to save the integrity of your mat and still have the fun of creating with leather projects. Look at that, clean up on my mat. All I had to do was put the plastic over and hang it back up. If you've been delaying on trying doing leather projects, go get that leather out, faux leather, genuine leather, whatever you've been putting off, and get creating. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this video was super helpful to you. If you really want to continue to follow me, then make sure that you click that subscribe button. And as always, click the like if you really found benefit, so that it helps spread it to more people out in the YouTube community. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.